welcome to C's Corner. Today I went to the river with my daddy and I found a sea mango. We are going to make a hedgehog with this sea mango. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, let's get started. We need some toothpicks and some glue. And I need some googly eyes and a red paper. We need to lift this part and we need to put toothpicks angle like this. This is the part we left. This can be our hedgehog's face. We need to make the face now. First, I'm using googly eyes to our face. Like this, I need to stick googly eyes. Then I need to put the nose. I made this knot with this red paper. Can you show me your nose? Nose. This is our nose. Nose. This is the hedgehog we made. I love him, like the name her hedgehog. But Bumpy, a cute name. But don't hug him because there's spikes. Let's try one finger in one spike, okay? So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.